Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. DeFi bully. Nasa Bink hobby. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. Yo, what's good, people? It's your boy Nasa Bink hobby. This is DeFi bully. I couldn't even hold it up. Hold on. Let me fix my hair a little bit. I couldn't even hold it up. I had to come to you guys live. I don't care how late it is because this is important information for the people. Boom. The contract has now reached $2 million. And if you guys can see, it's been about 1 full day since I invested my one BNB, which is $400. And I made $300 already. I should claim right now. And make majority of my money back. And, you know what I mean, play with free money. But a part of me is telling me this contract balance is going to go parabolic. I think it's going to hit 4 million by tomorrow. At least 3 million. I just have a weird feeling it will. So you know what I'm going to do? Because Grinch Bucks is going so ham. Matter of fact, before I even do that, please go over to the YouTube page, the DeFi Bully. We on that push. Hit that notification bell. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Because you know I'm trying to keep it PG. I ain't gonna curse. Y'all know what it is. You feel me? What I'm gonna do with this $303, I'm gonna compound that. I got 1,134 ham. I'm curious to see what this $300 is gonna give me. So I'm gonna go ahead and compound that. Cause I wanna grow my position. I wanna make some money. I wanna do it the right way. And all my people that's watching this and they like, oh, Nasa, I wanna get to that DeFi. I wanna get in the DeFi. They don't know what the fuck. Exactly. Y'all slacking. Because you know what I do? I had the money. I could have claimed it and took it out. Well, a lot of y'all would have did. And I compounded it. Because I'm trying to feed the ecosystem. I'm trying to feed the contract. I'm trying to make sure I got money in the future. You hear me? I already made 3 cents. And look at that. I got 1,241 ham now. Okay? And the contract is over 2 million now. 2,023,822. Okay? I'm not joking with that. And I'm going to go over here to baked beans. I'm going to do the same thing. Because I'm that type of G. Like, right now, my baked beans is at 0.363. 0.363, right? 0.363. It's $150. Do y'all see that? Between baked beans and Grinch Bucks, that's 3, 4, almost $500. That's $400 something dollars. You know what I'm gonna do for both of them? I'm gonna rebate. Come on, let's keep these things going. Let's do it the right way. If y'all wanna mess with me, that's how we do it. That's how we coming. Like this video, cause you know I'm coming with that heat. I'm showing y'all how to do the works. I got things to deal with too. I got bills too. I got kids. I got all these things. You know what I mean? We could just take the money out and be selfish, but we had to feed the contract to ensure that we're getting money coming in over and over. It's called passive income. How do you set up yourself a passive income? You support. Exactly. So before I compounded, I had 125 million beans, right? Let me refresh. 137 million. That's all I gotta say. Right now it's 12:46 a.m. my time. I'm in Jamaica. Yeah. So you know the vibes. This is already at 42 cents. So you know this is making money. I'm not stressing by this. We're going to get to it. You feel me? And another thing I want to address. I believe there was some things I wanted to address. My mind can't really think about it right now. But it's Tsunami. But the link to my Tsunami will be down below. Trust me. I think Tsunami is the next up. I feel like the promotion is going to be crazy. I feel like everything's going to be crazy. If you guys want to join my team, join down below. You add my buddy address or my wallet address to the join MAELSTROM. You put my wallet address right here and you press update. And then you make your deposit. Okay? But before you do that, you do have to go to Surge and exchange your AVAX for Tsunami. Right now it's at $5.87, about $6. Okay, so right now it's constant. It did have a big jump from $2. So I do want you guys to understand that. I don't want to just be that guy talking. I don't want to be that guy. Who wants to be that guy? I don't want to spend too much time. Y'all see this? Nike, just do it. Just do it. This is not financial advice, but just do it. This is how you build financial freedom. This is how you do it. There's a lot of little things that I'm in, and I don't want to like spend too much time. Look at this. My balance was at $502. Jesus Christ. Everything is up. Bitcoin and all these other things might be down. I don't even pay attention to blue chip no more because right now my whole life is in DeFi. DeFi is where it's at. And if you guys want to get rich, mess with your boy. Hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna make sure y'all right. Hit join my Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires. Shout out everybody in the Telegram group doing their thing. Shout out D Dripper. Shout out Shonda. Shout out J Skins. Shout out everybody that's in the group that's trying to make some action. You heard me? I ain't spending too much time. Wait, matter of fact, let me do something one time for you guys. I don't think I added my boy J Skins to the group. Let me add a celebrity to the group. Add a celebrity to the group. Oh, it's not gonna show right here. Oh, it's gonna do it on my phone. Alright, I'm gonna do that on my phone. I ain't gonna spend too much time on that. So yeah, that Tsunami pays 2% daily. The Grinch Bucks pays 8% daily, but we know how those go. They don't really last that long. Hopefully this one lasts long as people stick to the script with a compounding 6 days and claiming 1 day or so forth, or compounding more. You know what I mean? I should get a little exception because I need this money to invest in these other projects. Otherwise, support my channel. Use my referral links. Do these things. Right now, I'm going to ask y'all to hold up for a second while y'all check this out. Just check out my balance on these. Hold on. Check out my balance on these while I add my boy to the Telegram group. I'm not even going to pause the video because that's how it is. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not going to do it. That's how it is. Hold on. Add member. I'm going to do it on my phone. Yeah. That's how we do it. 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 There go my boy right there, J Skins. Oh, I didn't even add him. All right, there we go. He added right now. Add him to the Telegram group. Boom, boom, bada bing, bada bow. Bada bing, bada bow. Bada bing, bada bow. And he's added to the Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires. We got J Skins in it. If you guys watch 90 Day Fiance, then you know who J Skins is. That's my boy from Jamaica. Yeah, I mean, that's like my little brother. Yes, from 90 Day Fiance. Yeah, 188,000 subscribers on Instagram. So our team is already heavy. So if y'all want promotion for y'all project, y'all already know where it's at. Hit your boy up, NASA Ben Kabi. Hit up DeFi Bully. We gotta make this shit happen. Excuse my language. I was trying to keep it PG. But yeah, Grinch Bucks is paying out. Oh my God. This is a blessing. And I don't know how I got in so early. Baked beans itself. Look at this. If I press refresh, I bet you something pop up. 0.1. It's not that much, but something popped up. So baked beans is doing this thing. Let me check out these other miners. What else? Spook Beans on Phantom is doing this thing. Lucky Cat paying out. What else? Fish Farm paying out. The Drip BUSD paying out. Everything is paying out. What y'all waiting on? Financial freedom is it within grasp? Within grasp. Do I have to sing my song one more time for y'all? Come on, see. If you come on, see. Cryptocurrency. Come on, see. DeFi Bully. That's a bing Kabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. You heard me? I ain't gotta say too much. I just wanted this one to be nice, short, and sweet, just to let y'all know what's going on. The contract balance for baked beans is now at 34,000, which is ridiculous. The contract balance for Grinch Bucks is at 2 million. I don't even understand that. That's at 4,000 BNB. That is crazy. It already passed Ruby, Mine, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Because look at this. If we press moonart.app, if we press total value lock, you see Grinch Bucks right here at 2 million. The only thing over that is My Diamond Team, which been out for like 47 days before. This only been out for a day and 8 hours if you look at it right here. You know what I mean? And then what else? Drip Garden and baked beans. But everything else it be out in one day? That's incredible, people. Come on now. Come on now. Y'all want the bangers? Y'all want the heat? Mess with your boy Nasa Ben Copy. Like this video. Like it for the algorithm. And comment something. Matter of fact, I'm going to do something nice. I'm going to do something nice. All right, let me think of what I could do. I'm going to think of something I could do. I might do it in the next video. Matter of fact, if you guys could comment my favorite drink, I don't care who do it. If you could comment my favorite drink, alcoholic. Yes, alcoholic drink. Not saying I'm alcoholic, but an alcoholic beverage. If you could comment my favorite drink, I would send you $20 worth of BNB. Easy as that. Easy as that. I'll do it because I love the community. I love DeFi. This is my life. This is my life. I don't work for nobody no more. It's financial freedom or nothing else. So let's hop out that bullpen and run it up to financial freedom. The link is down below for my Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires. You guys can see baked beans, Grinch Bucks, and Tsunami is going parabolic. Don't sleep. Hit up all my links down below. Join it. Shout out everybody in the groups that's supporting. Shout out everybody that's basically just trying to make everything happen. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Splassive. I don't know what's going on splassive, but the price seems a little consistent. I'm not gonna like stress that too much. Ruby Mine been doing this thing. I took my first withdrawal earlier this morning. My first withdrawal. I didn't withdraw on BUSD crops, but I have links for all of these down below. And these things are paying me out. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's really changing lives. DeFi is really changing lives. If you guys are tired of the hustle and the tussle, the working for people, waking up, spending time away from your family, like, this is where you guys need to be. I don't want to sound like a broken record or sound like, excuse me, or sound like school teachers telling you, oh, you need to do this, you need to get your education, you need to. I don't want to be that guy. I just want to be the guy in DeFi telling you how to get by. Doing this, doing that without getting high. You feel me? You heard that? Those are my rhymes. It sound like cat in the hat rhymes. It reminds you of Grinch Bucks. Duh, that's that cat in the hat stuff. That green eggs and ham. Yes, I am. Yes, I am happy for green eggs and ham. Since y'all see me compound a while ago, I'm already up $2.26. Do I have to say anything else? Do I have to say anything else? What do I have to do? Like, what do I really have to do? Look at me. I'm just coming in. I was having a little time out. I enjoyed a little bit of my crypto. I took a little bit of profit so I could go out and enjoy the night, or try to enjoy the night. But I had crazy FOMO. I'm on the road. I'm like, yo, let's stop by this bar. Let's have a drink. I'm drinking. I'm like, oh my God, I'm missing out. I'm having FOMO. What if Grinch Bucks balances? What if the contract balance is going though? What if baked beans? What if Tsunami? What if? Nah, I couldn't do it. I love DeFi so much. I had to leave everybody and say, yo, I'm out. I'm heading back. I can't do it. Look at this. Every time I refresh, it goes up. This is wild. This is wild, people. It's something I wanted to talk to you guys about, but I just cannot remember. Damn, it's something I can't remember. Something I cannot remember. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. I just can't not remember. Watch this. Watch this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can y'all see that? I'm making a little mouse cursor thing do the thing. I'm making a mouse cursor thing do the thing. It's increasing. All right, so bear with me. And I'm serious about that giveaway. Comment my favorite drink down below. My favorite liquor and chaser together in that combination. You got to be the drink and the chaser. I'll give you an example of what it's not. It is not Hennessy and Coke. It's not Hennessy and Coke. Coca-Cola, okay? To clarify. It's not Hennessy and Coca-Cola. I don't really like dark liquor. So that should give away a lot. So the first one to comment my favorite drink, and I give another hint. In one of my previous videos, I showed part of it, okay? But that's all I'm giving out. I'll send $25. I said 20. I'll send $25 worth of B&B to anybody that could comment down below. So comment down below the drink name and your wallet address. All right? So if you made it this far in the video, comment the drink, the chaser, and a wallet and your wallet address, and I'll send it to you. And I'll try something else. If no one gets it, the closest one to it, I'll still send it to you. I'm gonna do it for you. You know what I mean? Because I'm loving this life. I'm loving life in general. More life, less stress. You feel me? More life, less stress. Easy, easy. It's DeFi. It's easier than y'all think. It's easier than we making it out to be. Yes, it's DeFi. It's time sensitive. You have to do your own research. A lot of people take that for granted. Do your own research, people. And also, I'm not a financial advisor. I know I look like a regular yardman in terms of a regular Jamaican guy or American guy just talking and rambling, but I am making money off of this. I haven't worked in a while now because of DeFi. And I want it to be the lifestyle of everybody. We should be able to travel the world. Comment where you really want to go to. I know I'm telling y'all to comment a lot, but just go ahead and comment. It helps the algorithm. And like this video. And I'm not going to spend too much time on this because it's not financial advice, people. And that's been copy.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.